everybody. We are here to witness the union of Stephen and Miriam. So, we may welcome the groom and the bride and its entourage. We are gathered here to celebrate the beginning of two lives becoming one. We will witness the loving covenant that Stephen and Miriam will enter into as they promise to faithfully love each other. May we request the parents and the principal sponsor to please come forward and stay behind the bride and the groom to seal your love before this representation. May I now ask you to answer faithfully the following questions. Miriam, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in love and in service of your husband? Stephen, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in love and in service to your wife? So Stephen and Miriam, having together signified your intention and desire to be united in this marriage, and there being no legal or moral impediment that should bar this union, I ask you to please join your right hands together, face one another, and express your intentions in the presence of your parents, your witnesses, and those who are here today. So, Miriam, do you take Stephen, here present, to be your lawful husband? Do you give yourself to him as his wife? Do you accept him as your lawful husband? And you, Stephen, do you take Miriam, here present, to be your lawful wife? Do you give yourself to her as her husband? Do you accept her as your lawful wife? Please repeat after me and say together the following vows, no? Repeat after me. Be with us, God our Father, as we strive to fulfill our marriage vows. Grant us, O Lord, to be one heart, one soul, from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, until death do us part. As a symbol of this union, let's exchange each other's wedding ring. Miriam, Estelle Miriam.
Okay.
Okay. Wear this ring
Wear this ring,
as a symbol of my love and loyalty.
symbol of my love and loyalty.
Okay, Stefan. Wear this ring as a symbol of my love and loyalty.
As a symbol of my love and loyalty.
Okay, now therefore, Stephen and Miriam, having together satisfied the requirements of the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, I, as judge of the Municipal Trial Court in City, by virtue of the authority vested in me, hereby declare you as husband
One more. Oh, next. Okay.
Yeah!